This OXO soap dispensing brush is an absolute must have whenever I'm washing dishes, and I'm going to tell you why. Hi, my name's Marlena, and I've been using the OXO soap dispensing brush now for many years. This is probably my third or fourth one now. But what I love about this brush and why I keep coming back to it is that one, OXO, the brand, is just absolutely fantastic. I have so many products of theirs throughout my kitchen, and I know whenever I'm buying OXO, I'm buying a quality product. But with this brush, this is probably what start the whole obsession for me with the OXO brand. But with this brush, you put soap into the handle, and then you have your dish soap that's in the handle ready to go while you're washing your dishes. All you have to do is push the button at the bottom of the brush there to dispense the soap, and then you go ahead and wash your dishes. And then what's nice is that the brush head here has a scraper at the top. So if you're dealing with stuck on stubborn food on your plates and dishes, this will easily scratch that off for you. And then what's nice too is that the nylon bristles here, they're effective while with removing food while at the same time being gentle. So if you have nonstick pots and pans you're dealing with, this will help prevent any scratches or damage to those pots and pans. And then to put soap in it is very easy. All you do is untwist the knob here at the top or at the bottom of the handle, and then you fill your soap in, and then that's it. But probably one of the biggest reasons why I like this brush, which stands out among other brushes I've tried in the past, is that the brush head is replaceable and removable. So once this wears down and you need to put a new one on, OXO does make refill brush heads. All you have to do is push this button at the bottom of the bristle head, and it pops off and you put a new one on. So that will help to extend the life of your dish brush. So yes, if you're looking for a good dishwashing brush, I highly recommend this one. It's been my favorite now for over 5 years. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.